Welcome back to Good Things Utah, everybody. So glad you're watching because we are live on the road in southern Utah this morning. And sometimes you just need someone to help you with legal trouble. So we trust the pros at GTU.
We sure do. One of those pros sitting down with us right now for this sponsored interview. It's our friend Tyler T. Todd from We Win Injury Law. And we're back in your neck of the woods.
Yes, welcome.
And we're talking about some cases that you said, I don't know. I said, I might know. But once you start explaining, I always learn, I always change my mind. What's the theme for today?
So dog bites today, because a lot of us obviously are dog owners. We love our dogs. They're, it's like a child, right? But what happens when your dog bites a neighbor or a child or someone that maybe even be poking at them? So let's talk through the scenarios, okay?
All right, so we have three of those today.
We have three, okay? So dog bites a neighbor. Your dog runs down the street and bites a neighbor in the leg. Do they have a case against your homeowner's insurance policy? Okay.
So not on my property.
They run down the street.
Down the street, bites an. Okay, so think
maybe
about
someone
that
out in front their front yard.
Well, it's hard to imagine because Miles would never.
Well, I mean, he would
never.
lick you to death, for sure. But I have opened the door and Miles has ran for it before.
That happens.
When someone walks by.
And that does happen. Our dog has done the same. So, number two, dog chases a neighbor. Your dog runs down the street chasing a neighbor, which is really scary because that can happen.
Okay.
Although the dog does not make physical contact with the neighbor falls and is significantly injured. Okay? So not an actual bite, but scares the individual.
Causes the fall.
Causes the fall.
So these two are a little similar. The dog's left your home, your property, gone down the street, found a neighbor, and something happens.
So the
in
first
each of
one,
these cases.
actual bite happens. The second one, no, but there is a fall with injury caused by the right?
Okay.
Okay, number three.
Which can be really scary. Number three, a neighbor child comes into your yard, okay, provokes your dog, maybe with a stick or whatever it might be. Your dog retaliates and bites the child.
So now we have to decide which one of these has a case?
I just changed my mind.
All of these scare me as a dog owner.
Yes.
Like I have worried about
I know.
each one of these scenarios as a dog owner.
Yeah, and they can be. And I have a dog, Miles. Mine's Minka. So I get it.
I have a little itsy bitsy one named Smokey, and you think he's harmless, but you do worry, what if he has a scuffle with another dog? What if another dog attacks us? What if he does nip at a child? You never know.
Dina,
And
who has
unfortunately, with children, they can be
the case.
catastrophic.
Yes.
So I remember I told you there's a small plot twist.
Last night I felt like 3. Today I'm choosing 1. I just
Wait, and I still feel like 3.
I changed
because
my
they're
mind.
on your property, so it seems like homeowners insurance would have to kick in.
All three have a case.
No way! That was the twist.
That was the twist.
No way!
All three have a twist.
Okay, why?
So
Talk us through.
In Utah, homeowners are strictly liable for injuries caused by their dogs. Now, the rule just changed. The law just changed this year. Before, it could be any scenario. So if a trespasser came into your yard, your dog attacks the trespasser, still strict liability. Now, if your dog's in an enclosure or if the individual who's been harmed is deemed to be a trespasser, then that would not be strictly liable against the homeowners. But in all these three scenarios, it was not inside an enclosure. And so just be very, very careful of that.
Honestly, I felt like they all three had a case, but I was unsure. So in an enclosure, that's the only way that possibly you'd be protected.
So like in your
as
fenced
the dog
yard, right? In your fenced yard.
Okay.
So if there's a trespasser that comes onto your property, your dog's doing presumably what you want your dog to do in the event someone is coming into your yard.
Here's what is scary though, because number 2, I'm like, there's no way. Yes, it's your dog, but not on your property, and you're not liable, or so I thought. If somebody else happens to trip or is running and stumbles and falls, you are responsible for those injuries.
So up until this year, strictly liable no matter what.
Wow.
So now it's changed a little bit with the amendment to the rule or the law this year. But yes, just be very careful.
But the bottom line is sorry is not going to cut it.
No.
As a dog owner. And I've said that. I'm sure you've said that when your dog has run out and jumped on someone. Sorry. You have to be much more careful than that. If someone finds themselves in a circumstance like this, what's the best thing for them to do?
They can find us, WeWinInjuryLaw.com. You can call us, 435-688-9558. You can find us on social. And so reach out to us. The consults are always free. We're happy to help.
And a good reminder, maybe have your dog on a leash. And yes, accidents do happen if you open a door quick, but if you're going to go out, then they might see something and charge. So just have it leashed.
Well, and I
Keep her
love that
safe.
you're here in southern Utah, but also northern Utah, so you cover the state, everyone, so you know you have a friend and a professional on your side.
In the entire state. So just a quick shout out to my son. Happy birthday. His 18th birthday today.
Are you kidding me?
Happy birthday!
Thomas.
Happy birthday.
And we're giving a giveaway, so find us on social. That's the best thing. Find us on
Please.
social.
What's the giveaway?
2 tickets to the Holy War, Utah
Are
and
you
BYU
kidding me? I didn't look
football
at him.
game.
Look at me. He's like, BYU. Who are you going for?
I can't say.
You're not,
He
you're
pleads
not
the fifth.
saying.
I plead the
Okay,
fifth.
well, go to their social for more information. Thanks to We Win Injury Law for sponsoring and being a pros for Utah. More Good Things Utah, our special 2-hour show live here at the Black Desert Resort after this.